Pikachu, Pika, Pika, Pikachu, Pika, Pika, Pikachu, Pika. Skin. And today we've got a parrot. Our pet parrot and Nibbles, but they're both different genders. Polly is a girl and Nibbles is a boy. Isn't that right, Polly? She's only 5 and Nibbles is only 3. So
is Katie here?
Nah, they're very young though, so she won't be staying in this cage. She'll be going in a new cage, just down here.
Oh, but have you seen the cage, haven't you?
This is just part 1. It's part 1. Yeah,
You've
it's
seen
giant.
the cage. Oh yeah, it's the biggest cage ever.
Look at her. Just...
Oh, and guys, don't put your fingers in because you don't want to know what
Look,
happens.
she got a nice red stripe at the back. So that's all I want to show you. So bye with my parrot part 1.
Bye.
Bye everyone. Remember to subscribe to our team. Nibbles member. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Oh, should I say? Remember to subscribe to our team. Nibbles parrot member.